Don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's a mess in here, I know. I'm working on it, but I'm also working. So, we have an assortment of things going on. I'm gonna try to be quick and to the point and not ramble and fill you guys in. So, first things first, problem. We'll go with the bad. So, here we have our push rods. I took them out of the bag of oil that I had, got them draining here, since we will be doing things with them soon. And I took one to work with me, measured them out. Lo and behold, these are the correct size. Thank God. But of course, she couldn't let me off that easy. Here I am, like I said, I'm bagging them, putting them here to drain. I'll get to looking at them, and one stood out with different markings on it. Let me grab it so you can see what I'm talking about. So, on these guys, you see, focus. There we go. 7164 Cop Cams Magnum. Yeah, that's not the same. So, it's probably some contribution here on the previous setup doing what it did, i.e., don't mind my junk drawer. I got right there in comparison with other things. Anyways, so this no good. This has to go. Junk, trash. That's not right. So I have to order one more because that puts us at 15. We need 16. So that is that. I'm gonna go in the house and order some stuff anyway. So whatever. Assembling this guy. Try to get covers on and whatnot. Got that on and torqued. The cover's still loose. For alignment purposes, I don't want to bolt that down and torque that down until that is on. And I can't put that on because I did not buy the gasket like I thought I did. So called O'Reilly's, got it on order. They'll have it tomorrow. So then I'll get that guy. What's up with my focus, bro? Oh my God. Anyways, yeah, so that'll be coming tomorrow. And then, yeah, we'll stick that on. RTV in places that we need to RTV. And then I will be able, because this will put pressure up against that and center that. Also need bolts for this. Can't find the front cover bolts to save my life. So I took 4 from the rear cover. Got to put those back or replace those. So gonna secure some bolts tomorrow to actually torque this down. And then, yeah, like I said, get that guy on there. That'll place that where it needs to be. Probably gonna pick it up with the cherry picker and stick the rear cover on as well, so everything's on and lined up like it should be. Me and Vince did go ahead and install the throwout bearing. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's in there. So got that guy in there. We also tried to kick the fuel pump over to see if it worked. We had low voltage issues because I still had the junk battery in there. So I finally went ahead and put the new battery in the car, hooked it up, still did nothing. It was still showing the service fuel system message. And I was kind of hoping that with me fixing it or whatever, that it would just fix it, but I guess not. So I'm gonna try to clear the code and hopefully that's it and that's what's going on, because I put the fuse back in it, so it should have sent power. Vince said he heard the relay clicking, so fingers crossed, all that stuff is good, and it's just this message telling the computer not to send it. So I'll let you know on that. Also don't know if it's because I don't have any grounds hooked up. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So I'm really hoping that it's nothing needing me to take those tanks back down, because if you were here before, you know that it was a nightmare and I'd rather not do that again. So that's that. Oh, and by the way, yes, it does have fuel in it, as you can see. Shout out to the homie. He let me borrow his jug, so I sent Vince with that jug. And that jug filled him up. There was good content at the pumps the other day, so I wanted to get in on that while it was up. It was like E90, which is fantastic. So she's got however much that holds in there right now. And then I didn't want to pour it all in there until I verified that everything worked as it should and did what it's supposed to. So until then, we're gonna hold off on putting that on there. And I mean, we got a ways to go. It's not like we have the motor in there anyways. Oh, yeah, I almost forgot. Cam sensor. It was in the cover. The bottom side looked a little beat up. I wasn't a fan of it. The coating was kind of like rubbed away and it was showing bare metal. So I was like, I'm gonna change this. You know, I don't have time to be coming back trying to redo it because it's behind the water pump. I don't have time to play those games. So I go to take it out, and it wouldn't come out. I was like, bro, what is your deal? So then I was like, all right, I'm gonna have to break this thing because I was trying to pull it out, and like I said, it would not come out. So what I did was I broke the top of it off, and I just pushed it through, and it went out. So I had to do that. So I have to order a cam sensor, a push rod. That's on the way, the gasket for that. And I feel like I'm forgetting some stuff. Oh, more lash caps, 8 more lash caps. And I believe that's it for now. And then, you know, get bolts for the rest of the cover. So who knows what else we'll run into in the time being, but that's just where we are right now. I would like to get all the covers on and torqued with the RTV. And then we'll pick it up with the picker, and then we'll start throwing the clutch and whatnot on there. And then throw our sensors in. So crank sensor goes there, cam sensor in. And then I'm not sure after that. I don't know, maybe we'll do valve train once those parts come in. Do the valve train, put the covers on, and then yeah, just moving along, man, just getting stuff done. So something got done, but not really. It's not as much progress as I was hoping to make, but at least now that we know what stuff we need, we can move accordingly and get stuff done. So that's pretty much that. That's pretty much all I got. I will catch y'all later, update y'all when I get some parts and some more progress done on this thing. But as of right now, we at least got the balancer on and the cover kind of halfway sort of on. So catch you guys later. Sorry this video was so long, but it's a lot of information to cover. A lot of people have been on me about updating on this thing, so here you are. You guys are exclusive. You're the only ones that know about this. I haven't posted on my social media that I even have the engine right now, so I'm just gonna keep posting here and nowhere else, and you guys will be pretty much the only ones that know. So like I said, peace, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one, and hopefully we make better progress next time you see me.